Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel on blogging issues. On this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom theme on your blog on Blogger platform. So, first step now is to click your browser. For the current theme, let's check on the blog first to see the current theme. So this is the current theme and this is a free theme. Normally when you create blog on blogger.com, normally they are going to allow you to use a free theme. So this blog is currently now on free theme. So let's go back to add the custom theme. The main thing now is to click on this menu bar and click on theme. So this page will pop up and then click on this button and click on restore and click on upload. Then click on file. So this will take you directly to your file, and all you have to do now is to locate that thing you want to upload. So go through your file and locate that thing. So these are my themes, and mind you, the Blogger theme has to end with the file extension .sml. So I think we should choose this. So as you can see, theme restored. So let's check out for the blog. And check if the theme has added. So just refresh the blog. So as you can see, I've just added the custom theme, and this is the post. I have only one post for now, and as you can see, this theme is very beautiful. This theme is nice. It has many features. So this is how to add a custom theme on Blogger. All I have to do now is to edit and customize the theme. So that is it.